Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, July 12, 2021. It is 4:30 and 19 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, life expectancy. So let's hop to it here. Preferred life expectancy and its association with hypothetical adverse life scenarios. Date July 12, 2021. Source Columbia University's Mailman School of Public Health. A new study sheds light on how the specter of dementia and chronic pain reduce people's desire to live into older ages. Among Norwegians 60 years of age and older, the desire to live into advanced ages was significantly reduced by hypothetical adverse life scenarios, with the strongest effect caused by dementia and chronic pain. Researchers investigated how 6 adverse health and living conditions affected PLE after the age of 60 and accessed, each by age, sex, education, marital status, cognitive function, self-reported loneliness, and chronic pain. The analysis included data from the population-based Norris Upland County Study of Health and Living Conditions, based on the representative sample of the population aged 60 to 69 years, 70 to 79 years, and 80 years and older. The data collection was done in 3 waves in 2017, 2018, and 2019. A total of 948 individuals participated in the interviews and health examinations. The research team asked the 825 community dwellers, aged 60 and older, the question, if you could choose freely, until which age would you wish to live? The results showed that among Norwegians over 60, the desire to live into advanced ages was significantly reduced by hypothetical adverse life scenarios, such as effects of dementia and chronic pain. Weaker negative PLE effects were found for the prospect of losing one's spouse or being subject to poverty, and dementia tops the list of conditions where people would prefer to live shorter lives, which is a particular challenge given the rapid increase in dementia in the years ahead. The average preferred life expectancy was 91.4 years of age, and there was no difference between men and women, but older participants had higher PLE than younger participants. PLE among singles was not affected by the prospect of feeling lonely. The higher educated had lower PLE for dementia and chronic pain, despite the fact that rising life expectancy, to a large extent, occurs at later ages, where the experience of loss and disability are widespread. There had been remarkably little evidence on how long individuals would like to live, given the impact of such adverse life conditions. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.